हमारे पास बांग्लादेशी मीडिया का एक रिपोर्ट है जिसमें कहा जा रहा है कि भाई बांग्लादेश इस टाइम पे बिल्कुल तैयार है चाइना से J10C फाइटर जेट लेने के लिए। आप सबको पता है कि J10C चाइना का एक लेटेस्ट फाइटर जेट है जो कि चाइना जल्द ही दूसरे ममालिक तक लेके जाने वाला है। अभी तक ये फाइटर जेट चाइना और पाकिस्तान के पास मौजूद है, लेकिन चाइना ये अभी दूसरे ममालिकों को भी सेल करने वाला है। तो इस बारे में बांग्लादेशी मीडिया क्या बात कर रहा है, क्या बांग्लादेश सच में J10C फाइटर जेट लेने वाला है कि नहीं, आज की रिपोर्ट देखेंगे।
The J10C fighter jet is a prominent multi-role combat aircraft that presents several appealing features for Bangladesh as it pursues military modernization and seeks to enhance its air force capabilities. The J10C is equipped with cutting-edge technological advancements, including an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar, which significantly improves its targeting capabilities and situational awareness. This radar can track 10 targets simultaneously and engage 4 of them, providing a considerable strategic edge in air-to-air combat situations. Moreover, the J10C features advanced electronic warfare systems, enhancing its survivability in contested environments. One of the standout characteristics of the J10C is its multi-role functionality, enabling it to perform both air superiority and ground attack missions efficiently. This versatility allows Bangladesh to deploy the aircraft for various operational needs without the requirement for a vast array of specialized aircraft, making it a cost-effective solution for expanding its military capabilities. Performance specifications. The J10C boasts impressive performance metrics, including a maximum speed of 2,327 kilometers per hour and a service ceiling of 18,000 meters. These specifications ensure that the jet can operate effectively across a broad range of combat scenarios. Additionally, its agility is enhanced by a delta wing and canard design that offers superior maneuverability compared to older aircraft designs. The aircraft is capable of carrying a diverse array of weaponry, enhancing its strike capabilities. It can be armed with PL-8, PL-12, and PL-15 air-to-air missiles, in addition to laser-guided bombs and unguided rockets. This extensive arsenal allows the J10C to engage various threats, from air targets to ground installations, aligning well with Bangladesh's military objectives of enhanced deterrence and combat readiness. The J10C represents a competitive option in terms of pricing compared to Western alternatives, such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon. With estimated costs in the range of US $40 to $50 million per unit, it provides a financially feasible means for Bangladesh to modernize its air force without overextending its defense budget. This affordability is crucial given the need to balance modern military procurement with economic considerations. Bangladesh's interest in the J10C is also influenced by geopolitical dynamics in South Asia. As regional military capabilities evolve, the J10C offers Bangladesh a platform that could enhance its deterrence posture against neighboring countries with advanced air forces. Acquiring such aircraft reflects a proactive approach to securing national interests and maintaining stability in a fluctuating security landscape. Conclusion. The J10C fighter jet stands out as a compelling choice for Bangladesh, combining advanced technology, multi-role effectiveness, and cost efficiency. These features align with the country's military modernization goals under the force's Goal 2030 plan, thereby supporting its strategic objectives in enhancing air power and national security. As Bangladesh continues to evaluate its defense strategy, the J10C serves as a pivotal element in a broader effort to modernize and adapt to evolving threats.
आप सबको पता है कि बांग्लादेश जो है वो इस टाइम पे मल्टीपल फाइटर जेट्स लेने की बात कर रहा है। रिसेंटली टाइम में हमने देखा कि बांग्लादेश J10C की बात कर रहा है। इससे पहले अगर हम देखें तो J10C से पहले इन्होंने J17 थंडर और इसके अलावा राफेल और यूरो फाइटर टाइफून की भी बात की थी। लेकिन यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को ये बात क्लियर कर दूं कि जब भी बांग्लादेश इस किसी चीज़ के बारे में बात करता है तो वो कंफर्म नहीं होती, कुछ चीज़ें इनको कंफर्म करनी पड़ती है और फिर बाद में फिर इसके बारे में बात करते हैं। जैसे कि अगर हम देखें J10C के बारे में बात की है बांग्लादेश ने, तो बांग्लादेश हाँ लेने वाला होगा J10C, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं ले सकता कि J10C की बहुत बड़ी तादाद ले। अगर लेगा भी तो थोड़ी तादाद में लेगा, यानी 5-10 फाइटर जेट या 15 फाइटर जेट। अगर सही मानों में ज़्यादा फाइटर जेट बांग्लादेश ले रहा है तो वो पाकिस्तान से GF-17 थंडर के 80 फाइटर जेट बांग्लादेश ने बुक कर लिए हैं।